What's up guys, this is Tampatec and this is the indoor-outdoor HD smart projector made by Wemax. This is the model 4-movie dice, Android TV version. We're gonna see all the cool things that this thing can do. It has Google Assistant, it has Google Play, YouTube, built-in Chromecast, it has full HD 1080p, autofocus, 2 5-watt speakers built in, so you don't need to connect it to any speaker system. If you're outdoors, this should be enough. And built-in battery of 16,000 milliamp hour battery pack, giving you 3 hours of playtime. 4-point keystone correction up to 40 degrees too. All right, so let's go ahead and open it up and see what we have inside the box. And I got a movie projector screen installed and everything. All right, so we got the manual, microfiber cloth, packaged really tight, I'll tell you that much. And pull this out. There's more stuff in there, probably a power adapter, right? This thing's small. It's about the, it fits in my palm of my hand. Has a nice leather strap. And let's go ahead and open it up and see what it's all about. The thing's kind of hefty actually. I thought it'd be made of plastic. This is actually made of metal. Wow, that's impressive. This thing has some weight to it. Oh, it's part plastic and part metal build. And here's the lens. This is the sensor that detects how far away the projector screen is, so it does the autofocus. Right here on top, you got the power button, status LED light, the branding for movie. On the sides, we got some ventilation. On the back side, we got some connections. You get the DC input where you charge the unit. Right here is a headphone jack. You can connect it either to your headphones or you can connect it to 3.5 audio cable to your soundbar or sound system. Right here, you got 2.0 USB. Or if you have a Fire Stick, you can plug it in here and use the USB for power. But if you have a 4K Fire TV stick, then you would probably need a power adapter. But this supports 1080p, but it does accept 4K resolution and it downgrades it to 1080p. So the native resolution for this is 1080p. And the HDMI port does support HDMI Control, which is really cool. So you can connect your Fire Stick and control the Fire Stick using the Wemax remote. And on the bottom right here, there's the mounting screw hole, so you can mount it to wherever you want to mount it to. And since the Wemax has built-in Chromecast, you can cast whatever videos are playing on your phone to the Wemax projector and display it on the big screen. We're going to set this up around 10 feet away. That should give us about a 120-inch image. Now this remote is very unique. You do have to pair it when you first set up the projector and you press these 2 buttons. Make sure you have batteries that are really fully charged if they're rechargeable, or brand new batteries, AAA batteries, because this remote will not work when pairing. And to pair it, you just press these 2 buttons right here for about 10 seconds. Make sure you're within range of the projector. The projector has built-in Bluetooth, so you can use it as a Bluetooth speaker. It also has built-in Chromecast, so you can cast anything from your phone to the projector screen. To have that ability, make sure you download the Google app. Right here, of course, is the volume control, and this is your app button, back button, and home button. This is your navigation control, select, and Google Assistant. Now, unlike Fire TV stick remotes, you don't press and hold to speak. You have to tap it, wait for the prompt to show up on the screen, and then speak into the remote. Now it has HDR10, which gives really awesome bright colors. Now you can watch this movie screen during the day. Right now I have the light shining right on the screen, but I highly recommend getting blackout curtains. Now, of course, when I turn the light off, it's gonna look way better. And as you can see, the HDR10 really shines. All right, so this is the home screen. Of course, you could customize this to your liking, but this is all the apps according to my Google account. You could watch live TV if you have Sling app or Hulu Live And then up here, you can add more apps by clicking on the plus. Here we go. And if you want to download apps, you go to Google Play Store to download more apps. Now, they are in the works of getting the licensing for Netflix. So Netflix is not available on the Google Play Store, or it can't be installed on this device yet. If you want to change your input, you could do that. If you have an Xbox or PlayStation 5, you could switch using the input button right here. Battery life, right now it's charging, it's at 19%. You have 3 hours of battery life using the 16,000 milliamp hour battery pack. But I'm not sure if you have to leave it in eco mode to get the full 3 hours. So go to settings, and here's my projector settings. We got, of course, autofocus, and we got auto keystone, that's turned on, and projector methods. And of course, you could flip the image upside down if you have it mounted on a ceiling mount. Of course, it has built-in Bluetooth. You could use this as a Bluetooth speaker, so you can play music from your phone to the projector, because it has 2 built-in 5-watt speakers, giving you pretty decent sound. Let's go to, click on a movie. All right, let's play this right here. Just a little bit. I just want to show you the colors and sound, everything.
When the Tampa Bay Lightning returned home from the NHL bubble in
Raise the
Edmonton
volume.
with the Stanley Cup, the city of Tampa celebrated the
Very
second
loud.
championship in franchise history. But
So
shortly after,
that is extremely loud. Now we're gonna go ahead and try the Screencast feature. So we're gonna go to right here, Hulu. And if you want to watch live TV, of course, you could use Hulu Live, which I have. And let's go ahead and select that. All right, and then if you turn it this way, you see an icon, and it looks like a square. And you want to click on that right-hand corner, and then Mi Pro. You want to select Mi Pro. I don't know why it doesn't say Wemax. Or 4 movie or dice. That's the name of the projector. Alright, so it looks like it is working. The resolution starts off really low and then increases automatically, depending on the signal strength. You just tap it once, wait for the prompt. Show me Tampatec videos on YouTube. Let's see if that works. There we go. Yeah, and it shows more.
What's up, guys? This is Tampatec, and I get a question that pops up every now and then in my TV repair videos. Why aren't I using an ESR?
So it looks like this is working.
What's up, guys? This
It works
is
really
Tampatec,
fast,
and
too. This is a very quick projector. Like, it works really fast. Now, using a Chromecast feature, there is some delay, of course, because you're using your phone connecting to the projector. But once if you're using the remote, it works really lightning fast. And if you're camping and you want to use your phone to connect your phone to the projector, you can always use the MHL cable like this one. So in conclusion, what do I think about the Wemax 4-movie dice portable movie projector? I think it's fantastic that you can take the projector indoors and outdoors and have 3 hours of playtime using this small palm of your hand size projector. I remember when I was a kid, projectors were ginormous. They were probably maybe, I would say, 10 times the size of this projector. I like that it's lightning quick. I like the colors. The HDR10 really shines on the screen. I highly recommend getting a 120-inch screen, and I also highly recommend getting a 5-foot tripod. Now, one of the downsides of this projector is it doesn't have a built-in tripod. I kind of wish that it had some kind of, feet that extend out and a mini tripod that you could use. Because if you're taking this indoors and outdoors and you're going camping with this projector, you want at least maybe like a 1 foot or 2 foot tripod. And Wemax, of course, has to work out something with the licensing to get Netflix on the projector. I still recommend it. If you guys are interested in this projector, go ahead and click on the link in the video description below. And if you know anyone that goes camping or loves projectors, go ahead and click on the share button below. Share this video to them, help someone out. Subscribe and hit that bell notification to stay updated on the latest tech videos. Later, guys.